Okay, 8335 Keystone. We got Schindler. Oh wow, these are nice. 3. They just have VR though. Let's get a cab view here. These are surprisingly nice. I really like these wood frames. It's actually pretty nice. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. There's the certificate, permit number right there. 4,500 pounds, HTVR. I said May of 2013. So these are 10 years old, about. The certificate says both service and passenger. I can't tell if this is the service or not. I mean, it's got 4,500, so it could be. And it doesn't say Schindler on the door track, which we expect. I think these are just newer. Oh, actually, this is the passenger one. It says passenger at the top. But anyways, here we are back at 1.